Was it tough hours for that summer? Or
Um,
more reasonable than what you hear at some of the other places?
uh,
70, 80 hours a week
it was in that range.
or worse?
I think that it was, I was probably working longer hours than that, but it was probably my own fault, or it was self-imposed. I think that, in my mind, the way that I was approaching it was I can handle anything for 10 weeks. So I was staying in the office super, super late, probably later than I needed to, definitely at a rate that wouldn't have been sustainable if those were the
It
hours
sounds
that
like
I
you're in
was
the office for more like 100 hours a week based on what you're saying.
uh,
But yeah,
yeah, something like that.
cool.
But I don't think it was. It probably wasn't because it was firm imposed. It was more self imposed out of
When you say
naivete.
self-imposed, were you like doing extra work for like on your own on the side, or were you like asking for more work?
Yeah, I'm more talking along the lines of the latter.
Mhm.
If I were to finish what I was working on at midnight or 1 a.m.